Today we are going to learn a new poem, Standard 8th English, Unit number 4, Poem number 1, The Weight. The weight means a doctor for animals and birds, म्हणजे पशुवैद्य. Now, before reading this poem, there is one good activity, that is chit chat activity. There are 5 questions. You can read those questions and answer the questions according to your opinion. Now, the first question is, where do we find all animals? We find animals at our homes and on the fields, while we find wild animals in the forest also. The second question is, do you have a pet? The answer is yes, we have our pet dog. Now, the third question is, how do we understand that animals are not feeling well? Animals relax when things are good. They behave differently when they are not feeling well. Either they do not eat or they only love to sleep. The fourth question is, who gives medicine or treatment to the sick animals and birds? The answer is veterinary doctor, म्हणजे पशुवैद्य. That is the vet, short form. The vet gives medicine or treatment to the sick animals and birds. How do we help animals and birds? This is the last question. Animals and birds are wonderful creatures in the nature. They are very useful to us, so we have to protect them. We have to plant trees, as trees are the habitat of many birds and wild animals. We should help wounded birds and animals in distress. We have to feed them and speak out against any injustice to animals and birds. Now, there is the second activity, that here we say, doctor who do special advanced study of specific parts of the body have special terms. In your group, you can try to match the specialist doctors with who what they treat. In first column, there are the names of the specialist doctors, and in second column, what they treat. You can answer the questions The first one is dentist. You can find out what is meaning by dentist. Dentist means the fourth answer, teeth. Teeth. The second, cardiologist. The answer is heart. Ophthalmologist. The answer is eye. Orthopedic. The answer is brain with spine. Pediatrician means small kids. Neurologist, brain with spine. And orthopedic, the fourth, orthopedic means bone. Bone is answer of orthopedic. Neurologist, brain with spine. Veterinarian, here the answer is animals, birds. Once again I will tell you the answers. Dentist, teeth. Cardiologist, here the answer is heart. Ophthalmologist, the answer is eye. Orthopedic, the answer is bone. Pediatrician, the answer is small kids. Neurologist, the answer is brain with spine. Veterinarian, the answer is animals and birds. Now I will read the poem. You can listen carefully and try to understand the meanings of the sentences. The name of the poem is The Weight. The name of the poem is The Weight. Look here. To be a successful and competent vet needs knowledge exceedingly wide. For each of the patients he is likely to get possesses a different insight. Here in this stanza we say that to be a successful and competent vet needs knowledge exceedingly wide. यशस्वी आणि सक्षम पशुवैद्यकीय बनण्यासाठी इट नीड्स नॉलेज एक्सिडिंगली वाईड, ज्ञानाची खूप जास्त गरज असते. फॉर ईच ऑफ द पेशंट्स ही इज लाइकली टू गेट possesses a different inside. प्रत्येक रुग्णाला त्याच्या शरीराच्या अवयवांचे वेगवेगळे आकार मिळण्याची शक्यता आहे. He must know why the cat is refusing her milk, why the dog is not eating his bone, why the coat of the horse is not shining like silk, why the parrot does nothing but groan. पहा, he must know why the cat is refusing her milk. मांजर तिच्या दुधाला का नाकारत आहे हे त्याला माहीत हवे. The vet must know it. Why the dog is not eating his bone. कुत्रा त्याचे हाड का खात नाही. Why the dog is not eating bone. Why the coat of the horse is not shining like silk. घोड्याच्या शरीरावरील केस. Here coat means घोड्याच्या शरीरावरील केस. The horse is not shining like silk. घोड्याच्या शरीरावरील केस रेशीम सारखे का चमकत नाहीत. Why the parrot does nothing but groan? पोपट काहीच न खाता विदाउट इटिंग एनिथिंग, विदाउट डुईंग एनिथिंग, विदाउट इटिंग एनिथिंग का बरं गणतो? ग्रोन कणणे, अ साऊंड ऑफ पेन. ग्रोन मीन्स अ साऊंड ऑफ पेन. वाय द डक्स अँड द चिकन्स आर फेलिंग to lay? Why to faint the canary bird sings, and if he is called to the zoo he must say an incredible number of things. Ducks, here ducks means बदकं, chickens कोंबड्या, बदकं. why the ducks and the chickens are failing to lay? बदकं आणि कोंबड्या अंडी का घालत नाहीत? why so faint the canary bird sings? canary that is the name of the bird. canary पक्षी आहे. why so faint the canary bird sings? कॅनरी पक्षी एवढं अस्पष्ट का गातो? तर if the lions caught a cold, if the zebras getting old, here if the centipede has trouble with his feet, if the hippos feeling ill, if the bisons got a chill, if the Arctic fox is suffering from heat. if the lions caught a cold, जर शियाला सर्दी झाली. if the zebras getting old, जर झेब्रा म्हातारा होत असेल. if the centipede has trouble with his feet, centipede means a small long thin creature with many legs. जर शतपदी असं नाव आहे. if the centipede has trouble with his feet, जर शतपदीला त्याच्या पायांचा त्रास होत असेल. if the hippos feeling ill, hippos means पाणघोडा, जर पाणघोड्याला बरं वाटत नसेल. if the bisons got a chill, जर bisons means रानगव्याला थंडी वाजत असेल. if the Arctic fox is suffering from heat, जर Arctic fox हिमकोल्ह्याला उष्णतेचा त्रास होत असेल, सफरिंग फ्रॉम हीट, तर त्या पशुवैद्याला माहिती व्हायला पाहिजे. if some virulent disease has attacked the chimpanzees, if the tortoise hasn't stirred for several years, if the bears too full of burns, if the cobra cats her sons, if the panther has a wife who chews his cars. if some virulent disease, virulent means caused by virus, virulent. जर विषाणूजन्य रोगाने, व्हायरुलेंट डिसीज म्हणजे विषाणूजन्य रोगाने, हॅज अटॅक्ड द चिंपांझीज, चिंपांझी वानरग्रस्त असेल अशा विषाणूजन्य रोगाने. इफ द टॉर्टाइज हॅजंट स्टर्ड फॉर सेव्हरल इयर्स, जर कासवाने कित्येक वर्षे हालचाल केलेली नसेल, स्टर्ड हालचाल केलेली नसेल. इफ द बेअर्स टू फुल ऑफ बर्न्स, जर अस्वलाचे शरीर केसांच्या झुट्याने अति प्रमाणात भरलेले असेल. इफ द कोब्रा ईट्स हर सन्स, जर कोब्रा नाग तिचे पिले खात असेल. इफ द पॅन्थर हॅज अ वाईफ हू चूज हिज इयर्स, जर चित्ताला पत्नी असेल जी त्याच्या कानाचा चावा घेत असेल. तर if giraffes have had a tiff and their necks are feeling stiff, जर जिराफांचे तात्पुरते भांडण झाले असेल आणि त्यांच्या मानेमध्ये कडकपणा आला असेल, तर if hens will not laugh at keeper jokes, जर तरस, hens याचा अर्थ तरस, will not laugh at keeper jokes, keepers means zookeeper, प्राणी संग्रहालयाचा रक्षक, if the monkeys pinched his tail, जर माकड त्याच्या शेपटीला चिमटा काढत असेल, if the rhinos looking pale, जर गेंडा निस्तेज दिसत असेल, if the elephant eats paper bags and chokes, जर हत्ती पेपर बॅग्स कागदी पिशव्या खात असेल आणि त्यामुळे त्याचा गळा गुदमरत असेल, if the camel herds his hum, if the kangaroo won't jump, if the crocodile turns cannibal and bites, they run away and get. That omniscient, the vet and expert him to put everything to rights. Here, look here, if the camel herds his hum, जर उंटाने त्याच्या मदारीला इजा केली असेल, if the kangaroo won't jump, जर कांगारू उड्या मारत नसेल, if the crocodile turns cannibal and bites, जर मगर नरभक्षकाकडे वळून त्याला चावत असेल, they run away and get, ते सर्वजण धावत जातात, and they run away and get that omniscient, the vet and expect him to put everything to rights. सर्व ज्ञानी अशा पशुवैद्याला भेटतात ते लोक आणि सर्व काही योग्य करेल अशी त्याच्याकडून अपेक्षा करतात. हिअर नाउ profoundly I pity the vet who must learn such a very great deal for his pay. पशुवैद्यावर मला फार दया येते. पिटी कवी म्हणतो, profoundly I pity the vet who must learn such a very great deal for his pay. पशुवैद्यावर मला फार दया येते असे कवी म्हणतात, ज्याला त्याच्या पगारासाठी इतक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात शिकणे आवश्यक आहे. My son, I advise you most strongly to earn your living an easier way. मुला, मी तुला सोप्या मार्गाने कमाई करण्याचा सल्ला देतो, कवी आपल्या मुलाला सांगतात. का? Don't attempt to attend the zoological crowd. A far more advisable plan is to call yourself a doctor and so be allowed to treat the illness of man. या ठिकाणी एक अत्यंत प्राणीशास्त्र विषयक गर्दीला उपस्थित राहण्याचा प्रयत्न करू नकोस. अ फार मोर ॲडवायजेबल प्लॅन, एक अत्यंत शहाणपणाची योजना आख इज टू कॉल युअर सेल्फ डॉक्टर अँड सो बी अलाउड टू ट्रीट द इलनेस ऑफ मॅन. स्वतःला वैद्य म्हणून घेणे आहे आणि म्हणूनच त्याला मनुष्याचा आजारपणाचा उपचार करण्यास परवानगी दिली पाहिजे. नाउ here are some questions. I will ask you one wave question. Complete the following wave diagram. Here is a diagram. Now you can try to understand animals and birds mentioned in the lines here in this poem. So many animals are there: cat, dog, horse, chickens, ducks, parrot, canary bird. Now here is one question. Read the following lines and do the activities. The cat is refusing her milk. Find out the answer. Read the poem and find out the answer. The coat of the horse is not shining like silk. The parrot does dash dash nothing but groan. So faint the dash dash sings, canary bird sings. A successful and competent vet needs knowledge exceedingly. In second line there is the answer. Here now you can read this poem again and again and write all questions. Read very properly. In short, appreciation of the poem, I will tell you. The title of the poem is The Vet. Poet, here there is no name, means the poet is unknown. Rhyming scheme: first stanza A B, rhyming scheme is here. Second stanza A B. The third stanza, the rhyming scheme is A B. The fourth stanza, the rhyming scheme is A B C B. Fifth stanza, the rhyming scheme is A B C B. Students, what is the theme or message of this poem? The poet has described the vet's job as tougher one in a humorous manner. He advises young readers to know the problems faced by vet. Why I like or I don't like the poem? This is also the question. I like the poem because the animals have shown funny diseases that made me laugh. I also love animals. This is the appreciation of the poem. Okay, thank you very much.